So everybody's telling you to get a pre-approval, but you really don't want to go through that process until you find the right house. Let's talk about that. I'm Casey Jenkins with Oak Realty, and you really need to get a pre-approval first. The reason we get a pre-approval first is because we want to know where we're shopping. A lot of times when clients come to me, they say, hey, this is the budget I want, $20 to $2,200 or $20 to $25 or $25 to $30, whatever it is a month. So I want, let's say, $2,000 to $2,500 a month. If you're looking at Zillow or you're looking at Realtor, which is where a lot of people look, they're not including things like taxes, insurance, or private mortgage insurance. They're just giving you your principal and interest. So these people are coming in, they're like, hey, Casey, this is what I want to be. And we're thinking that's going to be $300 to $400. And I always tell them that's fantastic, but let's get you pre-approved to see where you actually can afford and see if those numbers are correct. And a lot of times, once they get pre-approved, that number goes down. And the last thing I want is for us to walk into a house, you to absolutely love this house, us to go to the bank, and the bank to go, you can't afford it. Because now you're heartbroken. Now you're gonna take that house and compare it to every single house that we look at from here on out that's not in that price point, and you're not gonna find the one that you want. So if we start by getting you a pre-approval, you're gonna be shopping in the place that you need to shop. You're gonna be looking at houses in the same price range so you can compare and contrast them, and we're not gonna break your heart. It may happen if you don't get an offer accepted, but we're not gonna break your heart just because you walked in a house and didn't like it. And the other reason to get a pre-approval is things move fast. Pre-approvals can take 24 to 48 hours or more, depending on how fast you move getting documents to the lender. And by that time, the house may be off the market. So if we're out searching and you don't have a pre-approval and we gotta wait for one and then another offer comes in, they're not gonna wait for us to get our pre-approval and our act together. So we want you to be able to move quickly. When you see a house that you like and we go see it and you're like, this is the one, we wanna be able to write an offer right then with you, or about an hour or two after with you, because you already have that pre-approval, everything's already set up. Write the offer, sign the offer, send it in, and be able to negotiate. Because we don't want more offers coming in than yours. That's the goal, is to have yours accepted. So if you are looking, if you are thinking about purchasing, give me a call. Love to go through the whole process with you and get you in contact with some great lenders that'll get you pre-approved so that we can get out there looking and make sure we're in your price point. So don't forget to like and subscribe.